what I was thinking is you can send a squad that wants to be fast and swift, you know, guys that want to go, to the first flag that we captured last time, right? Probably a larger unit of guys if possible, and then we'll take, maybe even send the medic with them.
Oh, that's no good. Someone's nasty ass.
150.
Shit stained underwear.
Stay from the radio guy. Keep in touch with him. Get down.
Daniel.
Get down! Nugget! Jesus Christ, don't stand up and announce yourself.
Come in front of us, right in front of us. Go! Take cover, take cover.
Go on! Okay? Alright. Over.
I dropped one. Another way. I'll hold it here. You go another way. Don't get out. I just got like 3 of them. There's another one, dude! There he goes. Get back. Native. What are you making? Me and boss stay here. Alright, here he comes.
okay.
Probably straight through.
Down there, right in the entryway, blocking our view.
Got one.
You got it.
Okay, come on up, it's clear. Right there. Where's our engineer? All right.
Let's mark it 5 minutes, right?
All right, yeah. But I think we...
Guys got this, we're going to go check the other side.
Yeah, I think we're good here.
You got 5 minutes here, right?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm going to take the other team to the flag. I'll just say I'm going over here. Oh, you're going to the other one? I'll meet you there. Alright.
See you guys soon.
Hey, fun?
We got it.
You're the medic. Keep these guys alive. Kid, stay with them too, okay?
I don't think there's too many people left.
You can hit, yeah. Hey! Kenny, you're in charge.
Alright.
Well, their whole team's dead. We finished them off.
Really?
Yep.
Medic and all?
Medic's sitting right here.
Oh, well, fuck.
Killed the medic, went up there and finished the last two off. So.
Okay, well, I guess,
Well, I'm thinking that means we win.
yeah, and Charlie and them are heading over to the other flag. No, we got one over here, behind us.
I thought their team was dead. What are we looking at? Anyone that I know?
No.
Try to shoot me though from a big thing over here.
Okay, so he's over in this area.
I hear it.
I'm staying on the flag. You guys go ahead, flush him out. That did it.